Hello guys, and welcome to another Cycle Tech review unboxing, or today maybe that should be an unbagging. We've got some winter gear, I think, from Alè. I'm not sure what we've got actually in here. I think it's some of their latest 2023 autumn winter range. So let's see what's in the bag. Okay, that could go on the floor. We've got KLIMATIK K-Tour Bibtights. And KLIMATIK, I think Alè is kind of really foul weather stuff. There might be some water resistant treatment in this as well. Let's just see what the brand says. It's KLIMATIK K-Tour. I'm a small, minimal bit of reflective Alè logo there. That looks quite nice. Feels nice, that does. A really good sort of wintry, fleecy feel to it. No zips or stirrups on the end. I must admit I prefer that. I prefer just elasticated cuff. The zips always seem to go, or you just feel them rubbing, and the stirrups the same thing. You always seem to feel them. The little Alè logo on the back, I always like that nice fluorescent yellow. You've got a nice wide set of straps there. They've actually got, you probably won't be able to see, but you've got this light blue, and then you've got some Alè, the word Alè printed in silicone running up, so the straps should stay in place and not move around. It's a nice touch. You can see you've got a mesh back there. Seems to come quite high, so hopefully it'll be okay for nature breaks out on the road. The pad inside matches the stripe, well, almost matches the striping. It's got that's a nice thick pad actually, so it should be good for longer, those sort of long, slow zone 1, zone 2 rides we're doing in the winter to build up a base. And like I said, I checked to see whether it's got DWR treatment. I did do a preview of these, so that will be on there. Just keep an eye out for that. So that's the KLIMATIK K-Tour Bibtights, and then we've also got jersey here. KLIMATIK K-Tour Tornado, the jacket. Just put that there. And that's using the event fabric, which I'm guessing the event fabric is windproof. It's a windproof laminate. Doesn't say whether it's, it offers some water resistance. There you go, it looks like it's got that rustle of water resistance to it. It's got some good bits of fluorescence on there, some nice little contrast panels there, and a reflective tab at the back there. Please wash me often. Regular washing of your event garment will enhance the product performance. Well, that's interesting. I always thought that washing it would sort of wash out the water resistance, but apparently not. Let's have a look at the zip. Got a nice little, hopefully fairly easy to grab hold of little zip there. As you're inside, you see you've got that nice drop down there with silicone on the edge to keep it in place. And a nice, I think that's a nice sort of, what would you call that, royal blue colour rather than navy, maybe navy, somewhere in between. And then a black back with, like I say, these nice yellow highlights. Like I say, that's on the arm there. I always like the Alè logo, it always stands out nice, and they've got a little sort of rubber version here. So there you go, that's the Alè Tornado jacket, event fabric. Like I say, it's definitely windproof. You've got the KLIMATIK logo just there on the cuff. So look at the cuffs actually. There's nothing into, yeah, they're just they feel nice and stretchy actually. There's quite a nice bit of stretch in that. Yeah, because I don't like sort of floppy, baggy cycling stuff. So if it's, I've got the feeling this is going to be quite a nice. I'm just checking actually if they've got a little security pocket. They don't seem to have a zipped. You've got 3 pockets at the rear, which have a mesh on the inside, so that'll help keeping the sweat build up. But no, I don't think there's an extra security pocket in there. But they do feel like they've got that same waterproof fabrics, whatever you keep in your pocket should be okay. So there you go, there's some Alè KLIMATIK Bibtights and tornado jacket. It makes you sort of wish, oh, I'm really looking forward to going out in some nice horrible weather to try these out, but I will, because I do need to be doing that. Just wish me luck, and hopefully the weather's not too horrible. I mean, we all don't mind a bit of cold, dry, lovely sun, that's perfect, but what we've been having is wet, horrible winds, really high speed winds. I'm not going out on those. So there you go, bit of Alè stuff. I'll let you know how it gets on, and I'll put a link to the preview as well. Thanks guys, bye now.